Good morning. Welcome to Black and Blue Garage. Early in the morning, it is a beautiful day. You can see the sunset behind me. Little bonus video for you this morning. I'm working on the crawler hauler and gotta get this trailer off so I could take this down to town later, but I gotta install a new switch today because my window switch has gone off. I don't have keys in here to show you, but I actually had one of the buttons just break clean off of there, and they weren't working right to begin with anyway. So I have purchased this part right here. I believe this is a Dorman replacement part. You can buy them at the auto store, but you could also buy them on Amazon, and I'll share an affiliate link down below. But just gonna kind of see if I can get this door apart and swap this out, see how easy it is, because I've never done this to this specific vehicle, but I have done it on other things. So here we go. It looks like this whole piece comes up, and this one's actually broken. So maybe I need a whole new door panel in the future, but this might be the easiest one that I've ever done, if I can get this to pop up. We'll go get a tool to pry that. So if the front clip is anything like the rear clip, it should just pop in and out. Nope, it doesn't. It is screwed from the bottom. I just broke that. But this back part is busted anyway, and so it looks like I'm gonna have to replace this whole door panel in the first place. But in order to get this thing working, I'm gonna unplug all these, multiple plugs. So you've got a little lever style one that goes like this. These all I just pinch and pull. Now this has these little tabs, and since I'm replacing this door panel anyway, I don't have to be as careful, but sometimes this plastic can be old, so you just kind of want to work your way around and hold some pressure on the buttons from the bottom side, and hopefully if nothing breaks on you, this will start to pop out of there. Just work one at a time to get one side out and hold pressure. Work on the other side. And eventually that whole thing will get loose and you can pop the whole thing out. No, don't fight me. There we go. Oh, just dropped it. So there's your shell piece that goes, that holds the switch. And then here's your new switch. You can see they're identical except for the missing button on the old one. And obviously the old one has some electronics that are messed up on the inside. So all we've got to do then is pop the new switch into the housing, plug everything back in just the way it came out. It appears there's only one way to plug these things in because all the plug holes are different sizes, which is good. Let's see if the box work. It's moving the mirrors, which it didn't do that before. But now we should just be able to pop that back in there. And for me, that works just fine. I won't need to change this door panel for a very long time until it falls apart any more than that. So if you're looking to do this yourself, you're going to have to remove this door panel by popping all the clips all the way around the door. lifting it out of the windowsill and probably removing this thing as well. There's a little screw that unscrews on the front of the switch holder, and then there's a little clip that holds the rear of it down. But that's pretty easy right there. Took me, what, 2 minutes to do it the wrong way, and I don't care. I do love a beautiful morning with all the overcast and stuff. Oh, good, it's locked. So, anyways, have a good weekend. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, and stuff down below. And check out that link where you can buy this on Amazon. And God bless. See you next weekend. It's 100% not perfect.